Yes, I Anil, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing perfectly well. In the last session, we have planned for a public speaking class, and I gave
Yes.
you a topic
Yeah.
that you will be a karate trainer and you would be giving a speech in front of the school.
Yes.
Many students are there. The importance of karate or the martial
Yes.
arts.
Okay.
So please give it a try.
Yes. Yes. Please. Thank you. Uh, Hello, students. I am Anil Kumar Ram, but the karate gave me the title of Shehan. So, as you can consider as me as a Shehan. So, I am Shehan Anil Kumar Ram. I am the president of World Ankurashtroto Confederation. And today I am here to motivate you about karate, why we need karate, why we need to learn this art. So, karate is a very important for everyone, and mm, everyone thought that this is the art of fighting. No, this is the way of life. When you learn this thing, then you realize we learn a lots of things about the greeting of the teachers, students, even the junior also, and also we learn uh, a discipline, physical fitness. So if we are learning this art, so we can make us fit, make us a fit person, and simultaneously if we do fighting, so we can defend ourselves from the like those are a thief and they come to stolen some money from us, and someone very bad, they are trying to rape the girl, so the girl also save themselves and they can hit them. So this is a very important. Even I have some students uh, who was, you can consider as a senior citizen, they are completed uh, 50 year, and they also learn karate, and they told me that they gain their confidence at the age of 50. They can beat them anyone at the age of 50 or 60, and they can walk easily. They doesn't feel any problem on their body. So this is a very important for everyone. So I just motivate you, and I just uh, आपको बताना चाहता हूँ
I
what
would
we
like
can
to
say.
tell you. I would like to tell you.
I would like to tell you, please join and enjoy this art. This is a very good thing. And also, on other hand, if you want to become a player, the player also known as Rafael, the very famous uh, fighter, Rika Ozomi, they are also a very good famous lady who teaches the kata and is a very world champion on kata. So you can also become a like that, and when you are a world champion or national champion, so everyone recognize you and they can uh, invite you as a trainer, and you can give them some share. You can share with them your experience, so you can earn some money also. And if you want to open your academy, then you can open your academy after completing this, like black belt or second belt. So you can join karate. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. That's all.
Okay. Now, rather than saying I'm here to motivate you, avoid the word
Yeah.
motivate. That
Okay.
is not sounding well. We could say,
Okay.
well, I am here to teach you the importance of karate
Karate.
or to tell you the importance of karate.
Yeah.
That pointers could be hard. Rather than saying I'm here to teach you, I will motivate you. That's not a good thing.
Yeah.
Or you could say in this manner also. Let me write it down in the chat box. Otherwise, this is a good approach, but
Okay.
slightly sound which you're creating, that is breaking the
Mhm.
flow of the presentation.
Okay.
Instead of that, you could address the audience by saying, how many of you are
Mhm.
interested in this? Raise your hand.
Mhm.
How many of
Mhm.
you would want to see yourself as XYZ particular person. If you're engaged in any kind of fight or any kind of scenes, take some example and gauge the audience attention. Because today I would like to tell you, today I will talk about the importance of including martial arts such as karate in school program. This practice is not just about self-defense; it's a holistic discipline. Holistic is a word which you can refer. That also you missed.
Okay.
Holistic means overall development.
Over. Okay.
Yes, holistic discipline benefits student mental, emotional, and physical health. So importance. Today I will talk about the importance of karate in our life. It's just saying importance motivate you. That part remove it. That is breaking the flow of the importance.
Mhm.
Okay, otherwise it was a good try. Now one more
Okay.
topic. Let's give it a try on one more topic. So like this thing, the impact of mobile phone on one's mental health.
Okay.
Let's give it a try again on this.
Okay. I can say a positive or negative both, or I can say only
Negative,
impact of
negative, negative, because
only negative.
question is only referring that the
Yeah.
impact of mobile phone one's mental health. First, start with the opening the positive and negative side also, and then start talking about that mobile phone has significant negative impact. First of all, the social. Yes, now you're audible to you. I believe there was a call in between. That's the reason he was not audible.
Yeah. Maybe.
Because whenever a call comes, suddenly the audio breaks. Okay, so we were talking on the note. Please start with this particular activity, that is the impact of mobile phone on one's mental health. First, intro. In intro, you can talk about positive and negative side, but make sure to highlight that you want to talk about more negative impacts. Then talk about the first, second, third pointers, explain about it, at last give a conclusion, and thank the audience. So let's start it.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Having mobile is a very important also, and some negative points also have. We have when we don't have a mobile at that time, we can connect each other, and we can talk each other. We sit set on together at the dining table. But nowadays we sit together, but uh, not talking each other. Even I realized that watching videos, always watching mobile, I realized that lots of people stuck their mind in one place. They are not improved. The mind is not improving, and their thought is also not improving. Their thought is stuck in one place. So it's a very bad impact their mind, and even health also. Like sometime I saw that some person watching mobile continuously, uh, lying on the bed, and even though even they are having their lunch dinner at lying on the bed, and they are having the lunch dinner on the bed. They are not moving. They are not roaming anywhere. So that the body is mm, going fatty, and they also become a lazy person. So I just want to tell you, like, the mobile is a very important when we are using on some for work and some limited time. And if we are using anything, not mobile, if anything we are using for a long time, unnecessary, then definitely they harm our body, mental health, and even our relation also. That's all. Thank you.
Here, dear, multiple tenses errors were there, like stuck and all. Generally, most of the individual attentions are freezed at one's place. And here, while you're framing it, intro was missing. You
Okay.
could start by saying this. I have given you a few pointers in the chat box. Open the message box.
Hmm.
Have you opened
Yeah.
the message box?
Yes. Yes.
There's the first opening is there. Second, you can see first point, second point, third point, and lastly, this pointers you can have a word on while you're talking and giving a presentation.
Okay.
In a conclusion, you can talk about this pointers. So
Okay.
first of all, you can start by saying this. Simply, you can address the audience because many people are there. So your attention should be on everyone. So you could say, well, good morning, everyone. Today, let's discuss how mobile phones are affecting our mental health. While mobile phones have brought us closure and made communication really easier, they have also introduced us significant challenges. I believe how many of students who are sitting over, who's ever sitting over here, probably having the mobile phone in their hand. Are you guys having the mobile phone? Yes, I can see many of you are having mobile phones in their hand. So this is a one thing, guys, which I want to mention over here, that how mobile phones are creating a social comparison in between us. Probably few of the students over here would be having an iPhone, and few would be having the keypad. Some could be having the Android. So from this particular phones here, in our society, social comparison and anxiety takes place in. One of the major issue that arises over it, that is from the social comparison, which is social media platforms, where we constantly compare ourselves to others. Like that, you can give it a try. Look at everyone and give it a try, thinking that many people are there. Body language.
Mm. Right.
Because you don't think that you're just talking with me over here. Assume that many people are here.
Yes.
Let's give it a one more try.
Can I see the points and then I try?
Yes, 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 yes. Points, no issue. Points, you can take a look.
Okay.
But you have to explain it as per your. This is just for the pointers. Now you have to explain
Okay.
about it.
Yeah.
I'm not giving you the content beside it. Just I'm giving you the points.
Yeah. Okay. I try.
Yes.
Uh, Good morning, everyone. I am Anil Kumar Ram, and I'm a expert in mobile, expert in uh, uh, sorry. Good morning, everyone. I am Anil Kumar Ram, and I'm expert in sports. So we are talking. I'm here for giving you some explanation, not explanation, what we can say. समझाने आया हूँ और
I'm
discuss
here
we
to
can say.
teach you. I'm here to discuss with you. I'm
Okay.
here to discuss with
I'm
you
here to
how
discuss
mobile
with. I'm here to discuss how
Anil, you're not
mobile
audible.
phone impact on our
Anil, you're not audible. Your
mental
voice is
health
breaking.
on or
You're not audible.
physical. Yeah.
Audible.
Okay.
So Anil, we can do this thing in the upcoming class here
Where I am.
because right now today I believe your network connectivity is
Yes.
a
Yes.
bit
Yes.
weak and you're getting multiple calls in between, which you're getting distracted. But the one conversation was fine,
Yeah.
like the way you narrate about the karate. Karate one was fine, but after that, what we have started, that didn't well, that didn't went well as we planned. So this is the one activity which we are going to perform in the upcoming class too, as a public speaker.
Okay.
This is a topic again, the impact of mobile phone on one's mental health.
Okay.
Do give it a try to practice on this topic. Again, we'll give it a try on this speech and bring one topic from your side that you would be giving a public speaking speech in front of the audience. Any topic from your side also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so two topic we'll try. First this one, second another topic, and if time permits, we can go with the session note.
Okay. Okay.
So this is a two activity because mainly you are a teacher and you would be giving the school speeches or something. So that would
Yeah.
be crucial for you to practice on that note.
And even though when I explain to any student at that time I was stuck. So I need that things
Not
also.
not I was stuck. I am stuck.
I am stuck.
Hmm. Not I am get stuck. That is also in kind. I get stuck.
I get stuck. Okay.
That's a good sentence. I get stuck. So no issue. We'll practice on it. But first give it a try on this one because it's a public speaking skills which will
Yes.
surely going to helpful for you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you for joining, Anil. Bye bye.
That's it.